So Android 17 has a nice new anti-theft feature, and this feature basically protects your phone in a case where it gets stolen or lost, and there's a chance that someone else has your PIN, pattern, or password for unlocking the phone. Let's say someone hovers over your shoulder at a bar, they see your PIN, and then they steal your phone. If that happens, I can go to the Google Find Hub either on another phone or by using a web browser on a computer, and I'll log in with my account and select the phone that was stolen. With Android 17, I can mark the phone as lost. The phone will refuse to unlock with a PIN, pattern, or a passcode. Marking the phone as lost will also hide quick settings and disable new Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections. And the only way to unlock the phone would be by using biometric data, meaning either a fingerprint or a face recognition. Google basically realized thieves often obtain your PIN before stealing the phone, so they're now making fingerprint or face unlock required on Android 17 to allow extra security features like this. You don't have to enable any settings or change anything. As long as you're in Android 17, this is enabled right out the gate. Click the like button if this helped. Let me know if you've ever used this, and share the video with a friend who needs to know about this. Thanks all, until next time.